Here's how you can transfer money from EBT card to Cash App. So first of all, open up your Cash App application on your mobile phone and tap on account on the top right corner and scroll down until you see link banks. So simply tap on that and simply tap on link debit card. After that, you just have to enter your EBT card number, month, expiry date and CVV and simply tap on link card on the bottom. After that, you can simply go back now and you just have to tap on add money in your Cash App. So once you tap on that, you just have to select your EBT card, and after selecting that, you can transfer money from your EBT card to your Cash App. So hope this helped. This is how to transfer money from EBT card to Cash App.